Hi, I'm Safira. I want to introduce three Windows edition. First thing first is Windows Home. Windows Home is designed mainly for personal use on home computers. It includes all the essential features needed for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and basic productivity. However, it does not have the advanced management and security tools found in Windows Pro. One simple example that highlights this difference is parental controls. Windows Home allows you to set up parental controls easily, helping parents manage screen time and content for kids. This feature is straightforward and useful for family use but does not extend to business level management capabilities. So, Windows Home is ideal for typical home computer users who want a simple, secure, and easy to use system without needing complex corporate tools. Next is Windows Pro. Windows Pro is designed specifically for small to medium-sized businesses and power users who need enhanced security, management, and productivity features beyond what's available in Windows Home. It includes advanced tools that help protect sensitive data and allow remote work, making it ideal for professional environments. One key example of a Windows Pro feature is BitLocker drive encryption. BitLocker encrypts your entire hard drive to protect your data in case your device is lost or stolen. This means that even if someone takes your computer, they cannot access your files without the right password or recovery key. Last but not least is Windows Enterprise. Windows Enterprise is a version of Windows made especially for big organizations that need extra security and control. One important feature in Windows Enterprise is called Credential Guard. Credential Guard helps protect your login details by keeping them in a secure, separate area that hackers or malicious software cannot easily access. It uses advanced virtualization technology to isolate these credentials safely from the rest of the system. This means it makes it much harder for attackers to steal passwords or other sensitive information. Using Windows Enterprise with credential guards mean organizations can keep their data safer and reduce the risk of security breach, which is why this addition is preferred for business environments that require strong protection.
Hi, I'm Qasdina. Right now, I want to tell you guys about differentiate between two 32 bits Windows and 64 bits Windows. So, Windows comes into two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit. A 32-bit Windows can handle smaller amounts of data and use up to 4 gigabytes of RAM. It is usually found on older computers. Meanwhile, 64-bit Windows can process more data at once and use more than 4 gigabytes of RAM and runs faster. It can also run both 32-bit and 64-bit programs. In short, 64-bit Windows is more powerful and suitable for modern computers, while 32-bit is all for older systems. Like you guys can see, in my last desktop, its system type is 64-bit operating system and 64-bit processor. So that's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Saafia and today I will explain to you the main purpose of the Windows Update feature. First of all, you can open your setting on your laptop or desktop and then search for Windows Update and it will pop up like this. So main purpose of the Windows Update feature is it helps keep your computer safe and running smoothly. It installs the latest update from Microsoft including security patches and bug fixes. This is where you can check for updates to make sure your system runs smoothly and stays protected. That's all.
Hi, I'm Qasdina. So right now I want to identify and point out the start menu and the taskbar on the Windows desktop. This is the Windows desktop. Okay, look for the Windows logo at the logo button on the bottom left of the screen. Sorry, that's the start menu button. So you can see start menu, which is used to open program, search for file and access setting. The long bar along the bottom of the screen is called the taskbar. It shows open applications, pin shortcut, and system icons such as clock and volume. So you can see you can turn the volume up or down, and this is the clock and the text. So that's it for this part.
And now I will teach you how to open File Explorer while describing the functions of File Explorer. You can search it on your taskbar on your computer or desktop or your laptop and then search for File Explorer and it will pop up like this. It has all your documents, picture or downloads. You can open it by clicking the folder icon. File Explorer helps us manage files like documents, pictures or downloads.
Here I want to explain the concept of snap layout. Snap layout in Windows 11 is a simple feature that helps you organize your open windows quickly and neatly. Instead of manually resizing each window, you can hover your mouse over the maximize button of any open window, and a small panel will appear showing different layout options. You just click where you want that window to go, for example, half screen or 1/3 of the screen. Then window also suggests other open apps to fill the remaining available space automatically, arranging your apps side by side or in grids. This way you can see and work on multiple applications simultaneously without overlapping or constantly switching between them, making multitasking much easier and faster. It's especially handy when you have many windows open and want to keep things organized with just a few clicks. Overall, snap layouts help you stay productive by keeping your screen tidy and your important apps accessible in a clean, intuitive layout.
Okay, my name is Safia and today I will help you to identify and explain the basic role of Microsoft Defender antivirus in keeping the computer safe. So you can open your setting and search for Windows Security. Windows Security setting on your laptop or desktop and then you can find virus and threat protection. You just click it up. It has all the information you needed about your security, about your virus and threat protection on your computer. So Microsoft Defender protects your computer from viruses and harmful software. It scans your system automatically and alerts you if something is wrong. You can check your protection status here in Windows Security.
Windows provides a built-in utility called Disk Cleanup to help manage storage by removing unnecessary files, including temporary files. Temporary files are created by the system and applications to store temporary data but can accumulate over time. To check and clear temporary files using Disk Cleanup, open Disk Cleanup by typing Disk Cleanup in the Start menu search and selecting the app. Choose the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive where Windows is installed, and click OK. The utility will scan the drive for files that can be safely removed. After scanning, this cleanup shows a list of file categories such as temporary files, recycle bin, and thumbnails. Select temporary files and any other categories you wish to clear. Click OK, then delete files to confirm. This cleanup will remove the selected files, bringing up disk space and helping maintain system speed and stability. This process ensures your computer stays optimized by regularly clearing out temporary data that is no longer.
Hi, I'm Qasdina. So in this part, I want to explain the purpose of system restore and describe what kinds of issue it can fix. Okay, so system restore is a feature in Windows that help us to return the computer to an earlier point in time, called a restore point. It's very useful when something goes wrong after installing new software, drivers, or updates. For example, if your computer starts crashing or running slowly after a program installation, System Restore can bring it back to the way it was before the problem happened. It can fix issues like software errors, driver problems, and system instability, but it doesn't delete your personal files such as documents or pictures. In short, system restores work like a time machine for your computer happy it returned to a stable and working condition.